Webflow versus Framer versus WordPress. So Webflow is a visual website builder aimed at designers and businesses who want pixel perfect control without writing too much code. It combines design freedom with CMS capabilities. So its process, it has highly customizable design first approach. It also is built in with a CMS for dynamic content. It also has a clean code export and hosting included. And it's also great for agencies, startups, and creative websites. Now, Framer, on the other hand, is a modern design-oriented website builder that's great for rapid prototyping and launching interactive sites. It integrates well with design tools and is perfect for sleek, modern designs. So its process, it is very fast and intuitive for designers. It also has beautiful animations and interactions built in. It offers seamless Figma integration, and it is great for landing pages and creative portfolios. Then lastly we have is WordPress. Now WordPress is the most widely used CMS in the world, powering over 40% of websites. It's highly flexible with endless plugins, themes, and community support. So the pros of it is it has a huge ecosystem of plugins and themes. It is also highly flexible and customizable. It is also open source with a massive community. It's great for blogs, e-commerce, and enterprise sites, but it requires hosting and maintenance. So overall, each platform shines in different scenarios. But Webflow is best for designers and agencies, and Framework is best for modern interactive landing pages, and WordPress is best for scalable, flexible websites.